Welcome to the channel. We are in a bit of a later in the day today, but first stop, got a wheelbarrow and a bunch of coax. I'll take those though. Got a little bit of other goodies there too. Hey dog. But we do have an empty trailer. Let's see what we can do to get it filled up today. We're switching it up on the normal thing, getting out early. We'll try to get out late this time. Take it off, it's fine. It's got coax in with it, but we'll manage. That's a piece of glass. I'm gonna come back and get that and go about our business. Go back here. So it sometimes never hurts to ask. I just asked him about the washing machine, and he said take it because he don't want to fight this hill. I don't particularly want to fight the hill neither, but we do want that, right? We got a dolly, we'll play around with it. But he said he was gonna move it down earlier in the morning, later tonight, one of the two. He said he hadn't made up his mind yet. We'll make that decision now. It is a Samsung self-cleaning system. We're just gonna walk her on down. They were an older couple, so make the turn. Boom. Come on. Come on. All right. I'm gonna go right there. It's a no glow situation. Ooh, motor. Take these. It's old. Take the legs. What's the battery? We don't want none of that stuff. What is this thingamajiggy here? 12-volt compressor. Back of the truck. I like it. Back of the truck. Snatch up the legs. Ooh, sexy legs. Chairs. Yeah, we'll leave them. I'll come back on the second run. They're still here. I might, if I got room, I might grab them. I'm not gonna make a mess, but I will grab. It's just a speaker. That's the ice maker. I actually tore one of these apart. They're pretty chunky on the inside. Oh. Starting to get a little bit darker, isn't it? Look, another animal trap. Back of the truck. All right, small stop. The darkness is settling. We'll take some number one though. Grass. Ooh, chunky number one stuff. Back of the truck. Gandering, just taking a gander. Just seeing if anything jumps out at us. Seen a lizard. Didn't do much jumping, but I do see the cord. I'll go get my snips. We'll cut that and we'll continue. There's one down there too. Quick stop. Ooh, back of the truck find. Find a lot of back of truck finds, I know that. Well, if we weren't dark before, we are now. I'm gonna see if this is the magnetic. Oh, my magnets are gone. Wicker. See if we got a decent one here. Oh yeah. Come with me. We'll make it look pretty later. Microwave plate's going. Heavy doohickey thingy. Something to take apart. Got some fan action. Nope. 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 Check and check. All right. Both ways before you cross the road, kids. Where's the door? Backside. Count it. Oh, that's not like. Oh, put it down. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Not on the chair. That's a good good. Friends, I think we found out why we wouldn't find nothing in the morning anymore. Because I've seen 2 scrappers. One for sure, one was questionable. Had a washer on the back, but that doesn't automatically make him a scrapper. There's just, you know, it's gotta make room though. And the route's not even done yet, so yeah. Looks like another washing machine. Yep. Gravity. Come on. It's the high point gravity. Check. Right here. About to have to get our dolly for sure off the trailer. Take a step. Yeah. So that's 20, 40, 60 washers and dryers tonight. Take a quick look around. Nah, that's all boxes. Well, there you go. Let's get another one. When you see these type of things on the side of the road in summertime, they're worth giving a shot. Has a chance. That goes back here for now. We'll plug it up there. What else we got? No gloves. That's nothing. That was a... What was that? It's a bug. Don't see anything else? Empty boxes. Yeah, we're gonna take that with us too. Needs a good cleaning. It's the old school Apple one. 2005 is the number on it. Sure. Some fancy dancy little boxes. I think I'll take these with me. Alright, well, I'm grabbing some boxes. Nothing to see here. There's a dog over there, but we're here for this. Oh, that's a nice little rack. That's on the back truck too. Okay, then. Let's take a look. Take a gander at what we got here. Still walk around first. Yep. Yeah, that's nice. That's perfect. Look at the old TV. I probably won't cut the cord on those, to be fair. just in case someone wants to try to do their thing with them. We'll take this though. Man, that's light. We'll take these for sure, and we'll kind of break down what we got. Come here. Okay. That's cool. That's broke. No, it's not. See if we can pull it out and actually get a good look at it. It's all General Electric stuff. Oh, I'm taking it. Just don't want to break it. Taking it all. Come on. Might take the speakers too, actually. What are you stuck on down there? I can't see you for nothing. Come on. Okay, yeah, that's the reason. I'll probably pull the lid off of there. I want that. I'm leaving that. Take this. These are General Electric speakers. It's a matching set. Come on. Oh. No. Back here. It's just a cloth duck. Vacuum. Take the light too. I'm gonna have to break all this stuff down anyway tomorrow. I'm gonna take speakers. First one. What else we got? I'll drive slow, I promise. Leaving the cord in case someone wants to play with that. I'm good with that. Well, gravity took over. What has you now? Oh, you're slick. Gotta get a pair of pliers. I'll take care of that though. All right, well, nice little stock, pretty cool finds. I'm gonna get a pair of pliers, take that apart. Hoping we can fit it right there, but look at this thing. Found a bunch of antiques tonight, ain't we? That's cool. It's clean too. I may try to walk this one. I don't know if the dolly's gonna really do much here. Want it right here. Hopefully we can slide it in. We'll see. Oh, it's heavy. All right. Want the back. No, I got it. I appreciate it. I got the homeowner come and give me a hand, so I'll be back. See, we are loaded, but we're at another stop. Transmission. Got some goop coming out of it, but be right. We'll get this loaded. We'll continue. Night's turning into a good one. Where are you going? All right, we're gonna finish loading this stuff up. Put that back here somewhere. Back here. Well, my friends, that is all she wrote today. Tonight. We're actually not that late. It's 8:30-ish. We didn't get out until about 7 anyway, so 6:30, somewhere around that range. I didn't exactly look, but this was heavy. Yeah, you know. But we got these. I don't know if my appliance man wants that. He may want that. I don't know, but not a bad load here right now. And then, of course, the back. I said I was going to take that off, but I didn't want to break it. So we got the heater, got this fun stuff here. I'll take a look at it. A few microwaves to tear down and some wires. I don't think that is a bad night at all. Probably have to do this a little bit more, just to be honest. So yeah, hope you do enjoy this. We're not going to go to the scrapyard. A lot of this is going to come off and we'll just start making a pile. But I do hope you enjoyed the video. I know the nighttime deal, I'm looking for the right light. I'll find one, and when I do, I'll light up the world. But until next time, I do hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like. It does help the algorithm a whole lot, and I will for sure see you on the next one. Had a blast, by the way. Calf muscles a little screaming from that thing, but the homeowner helping, lifesaver. But see you on the next one. Bye.